Dee's Specialty House and Catering has been around for approximately 20 years. This place is very special for a number of reasons. The first being Diana Stobaugh, the owner-operator's mom.
She is the pie, dessert, everything lady on that stuff. When we try to help her, we have to, you know, it's got to be her. It is her recipes, and it is her way.
Everything is good, and her mom makes the best pies there is. Coconut cream pie, man. Sometimes we eat that first instead of dinner because it's so good, but she can make pie.
Oh yeah, the pie. Yeah, that's a bonus, isn't it? Homemade crust. Dee's mom makes all these every day. They're amazing.
You get the idea. The pies and Diana's mom are indeed amazing. There are too many reasons really to mention why Dee's Specialty House and Catering are in fact so special. So for now, I'll stick with the top one or two. And the big reason is whether you eat at the restaurant or eat the food catered by Dee's Specialty House, you will eat homemade, tasty, filling, and delicious food, period. I asked Diana, the owner, what are the top 2 or 3 items they are known for?
I would say the chicken fried steak is really, it's hard to say a number one because the catfish is right up there with it. But as far as like so many caterings, we've done thousands of chicken fried steaks that go out the door, and they choose that. And our fried chicken is that, you know, it's talked about all over the country. It's really good chicken.
The fact is, Dee's Specialty House has a large menu plus a big buffet. It's a lot of food, and it's all prepared very, very well.
All of our food, you know, we have our buffet, and we have the roast beef and the catfish and the fried chicken and all these different things.
I loved their onion rings. Their boneless chicken strips were full flavored, and their burgers were really, really good. But remember, they have food here at the restaurant, but they also cater several events.
When I am catering weddings and stuff, I do a bunch of the fruit and cheese trays, the dinner roll trays, the pinwheel trays, veggie trays. It's all on our menu. It's on our website, and that's very popular. That's really popular.
Instead of me going on and on about how wonderful their food is, I will just let a few of their loyal customers tell you.
It's just home cooking. Everything you have is delicious. Absolutely.
We really enjoy it. The food is great here. I've been eating here or eating at Dee's between here and her home since she started this business for like 10 years now.
Food here is delicious. It's just about the best buffet food I've ever had. And I haven't lived in Stroud very long, and this was one of the first places that was suggested to me, and I'm very thankful it was.
Homemade, it's wonderful. Everything from the menu items to the buffet, nothing lets you down. Everything from hamburgers to a bowl of beans and cornbread, marvelous.
Well, my favorite food is everything. Everything I've ever ordered here is absolutely wonderful. It's all homemade, it's all fresh, it's just amazing.
Diana describes Dee's Specialty House as having a very homey atmosphere with a very good country blend, and when you leave here...
I want them to be full as a tick, you know, and I want them to be pleased with everything.